Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to walk you through some steps that you can take if your Apple Pay is not working. So most of the time, Apple Pay actually works very smoothly with your device. But if you are in a situation when your Apple Pay is not working, there is a very big possibility that you haven't set up your Apple Pay on iPhone, or you don't have an Apple Pay at all. So in this video, we are going to cover how to resolve this issue. So first, you need to open up your wallet on your device. You can do this by going to your phone settings and go to Wallet. Now from here, you can tap on Add Card and you will be given an option to add your debit card or your credit card or both. After you add your card, you can link your wallet to your Apple Pay. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.